keeping your arm parallel perpendicular to the floor. Okay, so you come right up onto your left arm, chicken then right up. So you should be resting on your left hand now on your right foot. Okay, from there you're going to lift your hips right up and take your left leg underneath your body so your knee touches first. Keep watching your kettlebell, don't look at me or look at anything else. Okay, from there you're going to bring your left hand off the floor, straighten everything up, and you should now be in a lunge position. Okay, Mark, just put that back. Okay, once you're there, pushing through the front foot, you're going to stand up.
Come on, Nick, for the camera. Nice. That's it, come on, keep getting closer, just walk in. You girls are cheating, getting close. That's it, elbows in, elbows in. 20 seconds. Come on, Andrea, see those 24s, mate. That's it, I want them going overhead, that's it, tension. 10 seconds. Keep them close to your chest.
24.
Good job. Good. Make sure everything's tight. Biceps into the ear. And lock out your elbow. Are your fingers open? That's perfect. Bang. And don't try and rep out too early. That's it, Morty. Good work. Tension. Come on. Full squats. All the way. That's it. Deep squats. That's it, Martin. Get in there. Come on. Nice.
I don't think I'll be able to do the first one. Only way there to press something.
That's it, deep push up. Modified push up as well, because your arms are going to be at different angles. That's it, big step forward. Yeah, there's a lot of coordination. That's nice, Katie. Be quick, bang. You can see it.
Take a photo of me, I am good.